Have you ever wondered why some people's hair seems to grow faster, longer, and healthier in just a few weeks, and why others struggle for years with slow growth and breakage? Well, on today's video, I am about to unravel a simple but powerful remedy that can completely transform your hair growth journey. Also, you may probably have this available around you or at home. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's recipe. Our first ingredient is moringa leaf. I'm using dry version of it. You can use fresh leaf, you can use powder one, but in today's recipe I'm using the dry version of it, and I'll let you guys know the reason why I use dry version later on this video. Do you know that only moringa alone is very powerful to help you to achieve that your hair goals, give you longer, thicker, fuller, healthy hair, and stop that hair fall, treat your scalp, and so many of them? Yes, moringa is that powerful, moringa is that effective, and there are different ways you can use this moringa to achieve that your hair goals. Guys, you don't need to braid the band before you can get that healthy hair, before you can solve those your hair problems. Only thing, if you know the proper way to use them, just put one or two things together and you see your hair dry without you breaking the bank. So on today's recipe is one of that powerful recipe that can help you to achieve your hair goals without you breaking the bank. So I bring my jar and I transfer my moringa, dry moringa leaf into the jar container. Please do not boil this. Do infuse method. If you really want to get that best results, do infuse method. Don't do boiling method, okay? So after transferring it, I pour in hot water on it. I will cover it up to allow it to infuse for 12 hours or 8 hours, so that the moringa can release the nutrients very well into the water, making the water very potent. You know what we are looking for is the water, and we want this water to be very potent so that it can help us to achieve that hair goals and also solve those our hair problems, okay? So I'll keep it aside in a cool dark place to infuse. After the 12 hours, I infuse mine for 12 hours. After 12 hours, do you see the water have changed? The moringa leaf itself have faded out in color, meaning that this leaf now is not powerful again, because all the nutrients, all the potency of this leaf has released into the water, making this water very strong, very powerful, very effective, and very potent. So I just bring my bowl and my shifter to collect my tea spray. Then this powerful solution is ready. Do not let down on this recipe. Don't think that it's just moringa. It's not just moringa. This remedy alone will help you to achieve that your hair goal. So please do not let down on it, okay? It's not by expensive products. Just be consistent with this. Believe me, you will never regret it, and you see a huge difference on your hair. And there are some factors you need to follow so that you can track a good result with this recipe, okay? So now I've shown you how to prepare this powerful, simple, potent, effective remedy. Now the most important part of it is how to use it to get that best results. To know how to use it is very important, so that you can see good results with other people, because a lot of people have testified on this particular recipe. This particular moringa is a whole game changer. So people that have used it before, they have testified about it. This is not my first time preparing this treatment on the channel, and I have got a lot of review on this particular treatment, so that's why I share it back again. So please be patient to get instruction on how to use it to get that amazing results. There are two powerful ways to use this powerful treatment to see crazy results super faster. One of the way is to use it as your final thin rinse. Second is to use it as your leave-in conditioner or leave-in treatment. Believe me, using it as a leave-in treatment is the best among best. This is the way you can get crazy faster effect of this moringa. It will help you to attract fast results than as using it as a final thin rinse. You can also use it as your final thin rinse. Also use it as your weekly treatment. Guys, there's no joke. This treatment is the best that can help you to grow your hair. There's a lot of benefits in moringa, so time will not permit me to share it. I believe I have shared a lot of recipe that contain moringa in the channel, so please feel free to carry your research on moringa. You will see the reason why you will need to start using this on your hair. Okay, so using this moringa as a leave-in treatment is the best. Okay, don't wash it out, and using it as a leave-in treatment, there are different things you need to follow up to get that best result. First, don't use it on a dirty hair. Dirty hair, I mean, is like 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks and above dirty hair that you have not washed. Please, if you come across this video when your hair is super dirty, from 3 weeks you have not washed your hair, even from 2 weeks if you have not washed your hair, please hold on your wash. After washing your hair, cannot start using it to get best results. It cannot see good results while your hair is dirty, please. Okay, so if you really want to see good results, you need to keep your scalp healthy so that your hair can thrive, your hair can see space to grow new hairs. Okay, it's very important. Okay, so another step you need to follow to get best results with the treatments is to massage your scalp whenever you use it. Please do not skip scalp massage. It's very important. The next step is using leave-in conditioner and your oil to see in the moisture. Do not just apply this on your hair without you following up with your hair butter or leave-in conditioner and then oil. It's very important. And do not apply it, you just follow up with oil. No, oil cannot see in the moisture. So if you use your leave-in condition or your butter, then you cannot use oil. It will help this treatment to hold on your hair so that it will stay very long period of time on your hair, so that you can do that amazing work it's supposed to do on your hair. Okay, so how many times can you use this in a week? Use it 2 to 3 times in a week. Okay, be consistent with it. You will never regret that. You can also incorporate it as your final thin rinse on your wash day. Also, you can also use it as your weekly hydration or weekly treatment. Okay, it will help you a whole lot. You will never ever regret that. Okay, storage, please store this in your refrigerator for only about 7 days. Anyone that remaining, discard it. If you have freezer and you want to store it for a long period of time, at least can last up to 1 month in your freezer. But do not use breakable bottle to store it in the freezer. The freezer blocking will burst it. So use plastic something to store it in the freezer. It can last for you up to 1 month. Okay, in the freezer, while in the refrigerator it will last only but 7 days. I hope you find this video very helpful. Please let me know your opinion in today's recipe. Have you tried before? Please let us know your results in the comment section below. It will encourage a lot of people that have not tried before to give it a try. Okay, and let's keep this conversation on in the comment section below. Please, if you have not subscribed up to this point, do wait to subscribe. Believe me, you will never regret being part of this family. Okay, and also help me to like this video, share this video to your family and friends so that they get the good news on today's video. And liking the video will help me so much. It will encourage me a lot, and also it help the growth of the channel. Thank you guys so much for doing all that for me. I really appreciate that. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.